If your garden walls, fences, or bare corners feel flat and unfinished, climbing roses can transform them into something unforgettable. In this countdown, we're revealing 10 climbing rose trellis ideas that blend beauty, structure, and seasonal color. With over 15 years of design experience, Brad Smith knows how to turn simple outdoor spaces into show-stopping features. Stay with us as we count down the most inspiring trellis styles, from charming cottage looks to elegant statement pieces. At number 10, I'm starting with the wire grid brick wall rose trellis. It's practical and incredibly efficient, but it's also the most understated option here. The open grid keeps the rose close to the wall, creating a clean vertical layer of bloom without stealing attention from the architecture. Number 9 is the cottage picket fence rose trellis, and I love it for charm. It's not the most dramatic structure, but it instantly softens a boundary and makes a front garden feel lived in and welcoming. The repeating pickets give roses a playful rhythm that works beautifully in smaller spaces. Coming in at 8, the whitewashed lattice wall climbing rose is a smart way to brighten a shady or plain exterior. Lattice gives roses plenty of support while the white finish reflects light, so the whole wall feels fresher and larger. It's a subtle transformation, but the visual payoff is huge. At number 7, the wooden fan trellis climbing rose is a beautiful balance of structure and softness. The spread shape guides the eye upward and outward, which makes a narrow wall feel taller and more deliberate. It's especially useful when you want the rose to read like a living piece of wall art. Number 6 goes to the copper pipe ladder rose trellis, and this one stands out because of its material contrast. Copper adds a modern, slightly unexpected finish that looks incredible against green foliage and pink blooms. As it develops a natural patina, it becomes even more interesting over time, which is a designer's dream. At number 5, the freestanding cedar rose tower earns its spot for versatility. Because it doesn't need a wall or fence, you can place it where the garden needs height most, even in the middle of a bed or near a patio. Cedar also brings warmth and ages beautifully outdoors. Number 4 is the tall obelisk trellis climbing rose, and this is where form really starts to shape the garden. The tapered silhouette creates instant height, which is perfect for drawing attention into a border or anchoring a small planting bed. It's a simple structure, but it makes roses look sculptural. At number 3, the pink climbing rose garden arbor is a true statement piece. Unlike a wall trellis, an arbor creates an experience as you walk through it, so the rose becomes part of the journey. That overhead bloom canopy adds romance, shade, and a strong sense of destination. Coming in at number 2, the twin pillar rose trellis pathway feels elegant and memorable. Two matching supports frame a path and instantly create a sense of arrival, which is a powerful design move in any garden. It's not just decorative, it gives the landscape structure, rhythm, and a little ceremony. And at number 1, the wrought iron arch climbing rose wins because it delivers the biggest visual impact. The curved frame and dense blooms create a true focal point, turning a simple entry into a memorable moment. It's timeless, romantic, and one of the best ways to make roses feel architectural. From classic arches to elegant wall-mounted frames, the best climbing rose trellis ideas bring height, structure, and romance to any outdoor space. If you found inspiration for your own garden, be sure to like this video, subscribe for more design ideas, and visit omnihomeIdeas.com for more resources and expert inspiration. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one from Omni Home Ideas.